What's your name?
Andrew's up here with me, baby.
Don't scratch.
Wrap this around her head.
Yeah, right.
Don't scratch me.
Yeah.
Just
Nobody's
Pretty hot.
give me some olive.
I knew that was going to happen.
Yeah.
Fire! Fire! Fire!
Oh.
Nice! Smiley face.
Doesn't that make you happy? Smacked up in the face.
What did they get in the bipolar box?
Okay, I think this might be another set.
You're cold. Oh. Is that better?
I told you they were just fucked up having a good time. Blowing up shit.
Huh.
There is another hoodie. Way to go, Dad.
I want to hear that one that you can feel it in your chest when it booms, man.
We're up here today.
Renee, right here. Come up
Right?
to
They do
Dad.
it like over the
My
canyon.
grandma.
Oh, yeah.
There,
Come
baby.
on.
There it is.
Right,
Sit here by us.
Right.
Come on, sit here by Elijah.
I like the lava.
There we go. Careful with your shoes. You're a lap full now.
I mean, it's so loud, it moves.
You guys having fun? Just put your hand around her. She's not a puppy.
Hi, back, dude. I'm
Here,
so
put
proud
this
of you.
pillow on your lap. and that might help.
That's cool.
That'll keep you warm out. It's cold right now, but that's warm. Okay, look under her. Under the bed.
It'll warm
Oh, not lay down.
It'll
Just
warm
keep
up
your
in a
arms.
minute. Whoa!
Here it comes. Yes, sir.
That's pretty cool.
I love this virus. Come, look. Look up. Andrew's with your daddy.
Came
He's
right
not
through
on
it.
the blanket.
I wonder what the duds
No,
sound like
that's
underneath
not
them.
Andrew.
Huh.
Any of them
Look
sound
at the
like
pirate, Steve.
that shot.
Oh,
Yeah.
That one was cool. Figure 8 in it.
no.
That thud.
Hey.
Shut up. It was an infinity sign. That's what I saw.
This is a romantic.
I saw what I saw, and that's what I saw.
Yeah.
I saws what I saws, and that's all I saws.
Look at my accent.
You hold still, Janae.
Damn right.
Whoa, there was the one I was waiting for.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hot.
That was awesome.
Yeah.
That was, I've never seen those before. Nah. Yes.
Oh yeah, look at that. It went through the freaking smoke ring, dude.
What? We're not gonna
Another
go.
set, maybe.
I didn't come all this way to missed it.
Like burns the retina.
This is why we came here.
That's right. I did kind of. This reminds me of the other night.
Oh no, that was much better.
That was much better.
But yeah.
But they were about the same colors and stuff. How you feeling, PJ? Huh? Put your arms right down under the pillow. It's warm. Whoa! That's a short one. Daddy's behind you. Right there. There, look. This way. Says Daddy's behind you. Come on, stay here. I don't think you can hold the ball. There, put your hands in your baby gun. Okay? Oh, look, stand up a second. That's a problem we girls have. Can you do it? Good. Sit right here by me. Sit over. Hey, sit down. Sit down. Wait, just sit down too. That's her now. Let's just see what Daddy be warm. You can't keep him here. Say Daddy.
Nice.
You're going to be cold? Okay. What's up?